Hey everyone! If you've just gotten your hands on Microsoft Office 2021 and are wondering how to activate it for free, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through a full guide on how to do just that as of 2024. Let's dive in. First things first, why would you want to activate Office 2021? Well, it comes packed with all the tools you need for professional document editing, spreadsheets, presentations, and more. But as we all know, the cost can be a bit steep. Now, before we get into the steps, it's crucial to mention that using software without a proper license can be illegal and unethical. So, this guide is aimed at educational purposes and for those who are using it in a setting where they already have a license but are facing technical difficulties in activation. Step 1. You'll need to download the Office 2021 setup from the official Microsoft website. Always ensure you're downloading from a reliable source to avoid any security risks. Next, during the installation, you'll be prompted to enter a product key. If you're just testing or using the software for a short period, you can use the trial version, which gives you access to all features for a limited time. For those who need a more permanent solution but currently can't afford the license, consider accessing Microsoft's program for students and educators. If you're eligible, you can use Office 365, which includes Office 2021, absolutely free. Another approach is to use the shared license from your workplace or educational institution. Many organizations offer their members full access to Office apps through a shared licensing plan. Lastly, don't forget about alternatives. There are plenty of great free options out there like LibreOffice or Google Docs, which can meet most of your needs without any cost. Remember, the goal here is not just to save money but to work smarter and stay secure online. Always respect software licensing laws and use products ethically. That's it for today's guide on activating Microsoft Office 2021. Whether you're a student, professional, or just someone trying out new tech, I hope you found this information helpful. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tricks, and don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. Until next time, take care.